What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're putting the Nubia Neo 3 4G through its paces. A budget-friendly smartphone that's turning heads with its gaming prowess, especially those physical shoulder triggers. Let's see if it can handle more than just a game. The Nubia Neo 3 4G sports an aggressive, gamer-centric design and feels reasonably solid in hand despite its plastic build. And yes, those physical triggers on the side are a major talking points for mobile gamers. The IPS LCD display offers a smooth 120Hz refresh rate, making scrolling and gaming feel responsive. While the HD Plus resolution is adequate, its 720p playback limit for videos is notably constrained for media consumption. Under the hood, the Unisoc T8100 handles popular games like Call of Duty Mobile and PUBG Mobile surprisingly well, with the physical controls offering a distinct advantage in FPS titles. Nubia has loaded this phone with gaming features from customizable physical triggers and a dedicated game space to battery-saving charge separation and selection of gaming wallpapers. It's clear that Nubia Neo 3 4G is serious about gaming, with those physical control being a key differentiator. A quick note for Firelight 84 players, the phone currently exhibits a device anomaly error with this game, so currently it's unplayable. Now let's talk about the cameras. The rear setup features a 50 megapixels main sensor. Looking at the daytime photos, like this shot, a storefront with colorful signs, and this one of a building surrounded by greenery, we can see the camera captures decent amount of details. The color tends to be quite vibrant, sometimes leaning towards oversaturation. The exposure is generally well balanced, in some scenes with strong contrast. Like this one, the shadow can be a bit dark, losing some details. The low-light shots, such as this one of a street and this one, a crowded market, present a more challenge for the camera. We see increased noise and reduction in sharpness, which is typical for budget-oriented phones. The camera attempts to brighten the images, which can sometimes lead to a slightly processed look. However, the overall mood and atmosphere of this scene are captured reasonably well. In the closer shots like this one of a fruit juice stand, we can see the camera captures the colors quite well. Looking at these shots, we can observe the skin tone rendition. The front camera tends to produce skin tones that are quite a bit off at times. In these images, the skin appears slightly warmer or cooler than natural, perhaps with a slightly yellow or reddish cast. While the detail captured is reasonably for a front-facing camera, especially in good lighting, the color accuracy of the skin tone isn't the most natural. Despite the skin tone issues, the selfies are generally usable for social media and video calls. The focus appears to be decent, keeping the subject relatively sharp. The exposure also seems to be handled adequately in these daylight scenarios. Powering the Nubia Neo 3 4G is a generous 6000 mAh battery offering excellent stamina for both daily tasks and extended gaming sessions. When it's time to recharge, you will appreciate the 33-watt fast charging, which should get you back up to the speed relatively quick. The phone runs Android 15 with Nubia's UI, offering a smooth experience, especially with the 120Hz display. The Game Space app is well integrated for managing gaming features, including the physical controls. The Nubia Neo 3 4G is a compelling option for budget-conscious gamers who prioritize responsive physical controls and solid gaming experience. While it offers a pleasant enough experience for basic media consumption, its camera performance is not its strong suit, and the video playback is limited to 720p. If gaming is your primary focus and you can accept these limitations, the Nubia Neo 3 4G offers a unique set of features at an attractive price. What are your thoughts about the Nubia Neo 3 4G? Do the gaming features outweigh the camera limitations for you? Let us know in the comments below.